most common options when it comes to paying for school is federal loans, right? A lot of people out there are, loan adverse. They want to stay away from loans for, good reason, right? But let's talk about some of the benefits. Now, when it comes to the benefits of loans, and I have highlighted here a few benefits that I want you to focus on, is the biggest benefit is going to be the flexibility in the repayment options. Flexibility in repayment options based on income or IDR, income driven repayment. And this is going to be from the parent that has the loan in their name. Now, the big thing here, right, that I'm mentioning is you can be a household that, let's say, makes $250,000 a year, but let's say only one spouse works. The other spouse who does not work can be the one that takes out the loan. They, when the time is right, when it comes to repayment, they have the ability to get an income driven repayment option based on their income. They have no income. So they're going to be in the best situation possible and potentially have the opportunity for part of that loan to be forgiven. Now, if it's on the parent that makes $250,000 or more, 100,000, whatever that might be, it's a different situation. But there's more to this as far as the strategy, but it's a great opportunity to have a good amount of your loan forgiven and a reduced payment, option based on the income of one of the parents that is not generating income. This is only for the person who has the loan in their name. Now, loans can be forgiven partially and fully, okay? Depending on your student's occupation, what they're doing, with their career, the loan can be completely wiped away. So the drawbacks, there's a few. Subsidized loans are not typically offered to middle and upper middle class families. And I know most of you here are not really surprised by hearing that. Limited amount that they can borrow. Those with good credit, you may be in a better situation to look at private loans if you don't care about the repayment options. But these are some of the drawbacks. Moving to another option, which is private loans. So the benefit to a private loan is rates are generally lower than federal loans. Some lenders allow you to transfer the loan to your student's name after specific terms or a time frame of consistent payments have been made. Drawbacks, repayment options are limited with very low to no chance of loan being forgiven. Okay, so private loans typically have better rates, but the repayment options are not as favorable.